Yo, yo, yo. Hey, hey. It's a new day, a new dawn. It's the day of the Lord. Look here, look here, look here. How are you? You know why I'm excited? I got see baby bump. Tulu tu tulu tu tu. Oh my Jesus! So today is the day we go for another scan. So we're doing a lot of tests today. I think we're 12 weeks pregnant and we're going for scan today. So today we're going to see the baby's hands and legs and big head and heart, and definitely hear the heartbeat today. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for today. In fact, every day of this week, whenever I woke up, like, okay, today is Monday, Friday is almost here. Whenever I woke up, oh, today is Tuesday, Friday is almost here. I am just, I don't know, I'm acting like a baby right now because I can't wait to see my baby. Looking forward to it. We're going to do blood tests, a lot of tests. I think they're doing the genetic test as well today. I'm sure everything is going to be fine. I have confidence in my God. Look at my baby. Looking so pretty. Looking so pretty. How are you? How do you feel?
Okay.
Are you excited to see you, baby? We are late. It's not almost late.
How is it?
Yes, I'm with the khaki. Well, you can move in this motor because I'm going to Walmart.
Uncle, why are you obsessed with
Rub
me?
that stomach for me.
Why are you obsessed with me?
Rub that tummy for me. Rub it. Rub it. Helele, mama.
It's just water. It's water that is
Glory,
full
oh.
of this stomach.
Glory, oh.
This stomach is full of water.
Sigalo. Sexy braggy. Pregnancy glowing. The sun kissing. My God. Oh my God.
Can you move this down a little bit? Sure.
Kiki. Oh my God.
Jumping in head.
Wow. Head is so big.
Head, nose, hands.
Oh my God. Oh my. Wow.
Very cute side profile. Very cute.
Let
Already so cute. The heart's beating right there.
me see.
Yeah, I think I can see it.
Yeah, flickering.
The flickering.
Can we hear the sound?
No, unfortunately, we can't do that
Yeah, it's right.
at this age.
Or we can hear the sound at the
Till
at
16
12?
or 20 or?
Sorry?
Till
You
16
can
weeks?
hear the heart sound at the doctor's office.
Oh,
Okay.
But this is a very high intensity machine,
okay.
so that's why it's not recommended to put the
Oh,
heart sound.
oh, okay. Okay.
So we just they do this at this age a lot. They kind of just jump around.
Guys, I just saw my baby. And I'm just smiling like a moo.
Like a mew mew.
Wait, where are the other papers? Sorry.
They're with me.
Okay, let me see. But now we're going to the lab. Where is it again? I know that it's in this building, but I don't know.
It's in the other side. It's in the other side.
Okay, I think I've never seen that.
You know, my eyes were literally tearing.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I was recording myself. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is just cute.
Guys, so I don't feel too good this morning. My stomach has been troubling me. And my major challenge with stomach in this pregnancy, my major challenge in this pregnancy has actually been my stomach, digestion and all, but we move. So yesterday was pretty fun. I mean, we saw our baby again. this time much more formed.
Yes.
You know.
So beautiful.
Yeah, it was so nice to see. Okubu was able to steal some clips of himself.
Yeah, I was filming myself.
Yeah.
And you could literally tell the point where the scan showed the baby. Because from my face just looking blank to an absolute smile.
Yeah.
I didn't know
I
when I started
I
having little tears.
I had to lit up, like my face just changed once I saw the baby. It was so cute.
It was so cute.
Anyway, so
We couldn't hear the heartbeat.
yeah, we couldn't hear the heartbeat, but we saw the flickering heart again.
We saw the hearts like this, but the machine,
Machine.
it's still sheen, right? In this case, it's sheen.
Machine.
So it's because of you of the CH. So CH, oh, beautiful man. So we couldn't hear the heartbeat because the machine that was being used was a heavy one that was supposed to be a testing machine, not just ultrasound, also test for some things. So if you wanted to hear the heartbeat, you have to use a different machine, which is like a Doppler. I'm really considering buying home use Doppler. It's just $45, so I can be hearing my baby's heartbeat every morning. You know, imagine just plugging the Doppler to the belly and hearing and then you're listening to pray in tongues. Hey, I have the weirdest imagination sometimes, guys. Literally. And the funny thing is, I just might do that. Yes, because this life is a free world.
Anyway, so wow.
Tele?
And yeah, I've been belching a lot. Been really belching a lot. So but anyway, I think
overall you're better. You know, so we're like 12 weeks gone now.
yeah, so I've kind of been feeling like the major problem with me now is still my stomach, and I feel better in the mornings when I don't have any food in my belly. When there's food, because digestion is slow and you know it's just very stressful. It makes me feel sick, and so. But then I'm feeling better than before. I'm feeling much better than before. I was feeling really, really sick and down before, but now I'm feeling much better. Sorry guys, I'm not in the boost properly in this video because I'm just managing myself.
Sister Bay, look at me. My pregnant wife. How you doing? Show me the bone. Ben, ton. O'Shea. You look like letter B. Pum. Guys, we're going to the doctors. We have a doctor's appointment, and maybe today we get to hear the baby's heartbeat. Just maybe. Abi?
I mean, if she has a Doppler.
If she does have a Doppler. If not, I will last. I will go and buy.
So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like. Please make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification and follow us on all our other social media handles. Yeah, so till we come here again, keep loving.
Keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart lovers.